Hi and welcome to Ottawa English. I'm Angela. Today I'm going to give you a sample answer for speaking task 2 in IELTS. This is the topic that we're asked to speak about for 2 minutes. Describe an important journey that was delayed. Why was it important? What caused the delay? What happened at the end? And how did you feel about that delay? And this is my response. I'd like to talk about a journey that I took with my son when he was only 3 months old. I was taking him from Canada to England to see my mum because I wanted to show him off. We got to the airport on time, went through customs, boarded the flight, and got comfortable in our seats. Everything seemed fine as we waited excitedly for the pilot to announce that we'd soon be taking off. But when the pilot's voice came over the intercom, it was to announce that there was a problem with the plane and we were going to be put up at a hotel for the night. The next day, when we boarded the flight, my son was fidgety, so I gave him a bottle of milk. He sucked on it quite happily, but when he burped, I could smell that the milk had gone sour. I was so upset, not only about the milk, but also about the length of the journey. When we finally arrived at Heathrow Airport, I was so happy to see my mum that I forgot all about the troublesome flight. That is, until it was time to come home. So you can see that in my response, I've given the examiner a lot. And she's looking for these things. She's looking for those phrasal verbs that I've marked in yellow. She's looking for the parallel that's marked in blue. She's listening for your subordinating conjunctions that identify basic complex sentences. She's looking for some correlative conjunctions that are light green, and she's looking for those relative clauses that are a darker green. I hope you liked my video. Click on the like button if you did, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.